All right, so here's our challenge. This is a hand grinder for flaxseed and other types of seeds to make, whatever you're going to make with them, a little powder. So let's see if we can figure out how to put it back together. I'm thinking this is the main housing, and I'm thinking that's the bottom. I'm thinking that this has to go like that. But I think this has to go inside of it. So we're going to slide this in like this. Does that go that way? No, maybe it goes this way. Oh, yeah, that's the way it goes. All right, so we got that, right? Next, I do believe we have to set this inside. And then if you look, there's 4 like spots there. And I'm thinking that this, see, there's 4 things there that would go on there like that. And we just, oh, look at that. We got it. Now this, I think we need to take this and put this on here like that. You follow me? And then tighten it down. Get it nice and tight. Hand tight it, right? And then this is the grinding mechanism, and I think that goes like that. And then I just got to screw it on. I think I got it. Or do I? Oh, I do. Okay, oh, I see. Okay, now we got to put this on the bottom. Now this opens so that you can get the stuff out. So, you got to figure out how you're going to do it. But, oh, look. So this has like a thing on it, and it has see how these both have that little thing there? Let me see if I can get it. All right, like that. This doesn't make any sense because you can't get it to open up. You know what I mean? Like, look at this. All right, so here it is, and then I can put this on top, but these are closed, right?
Right.
So
they stay. I couldn't figure out how they get open. I couldn't figure out how they stay open.
It doesn't. It's not letting me do that for some reason. Does this turn? Oh, wait a minute.
Yes.
All right, so that does turn. So now let me see.
So that turns when you close the whole thing.
Let me see if I can get this back on now, and then have it be open.
Honey, it's not lined up.
I know I'm lining it. There's only one way it does it.
I know, but you're pushing.
But I have to push it really hard to get it to go down.
Really?
Yeah, because I already did it once or twice. There. When I do that, it shuts. This is not really. I don't know about this thing. I do not know about this. And what does it say on there? Patent pending. All right, well, anyway, we put it back together. I don't know.